everyone, I got new shipment today. So see what I have in this box. Mini small boxes. Small boxes, small boxes. This one, the crest, and then the Babis rose. Babis rose. The shape, look at the shape. It's a great round shape. Babis rose so red. After unboxing, I have some Crested here. Aeonium. This one, Japanese name. The crest. This beautiful crest, big cluster. This one 45. This one the big one 45, huge. This one 30. This nice color, $30. This one also 30. This one bigger, 35, 40, 45. I have some lovely rose. This one tall and beautiful. This one 80 each. 80. Chupa chup. I got some chupa chup this time. This one root. Difficult to call the name. This one 29. It's small, but it's a little bit pricey. I got some more. This one sunrise. Beautiful sunrise. Most of them have the crest on. 95 each. I have some of them, and this one Tong Yen. It's beautiful color. I got some green tea this time. It's so big. Beautiful cluster. This time it's big. Very big. See? $45 each. Big one. On slow. Some ebony. I need to check this one. I'm not sure. First time I get this one. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful color. River stone cluster. This one Aeonium 39. This one big one. Rolly 30. Rolly. I have some Hong Yen. This one 60 Hong Yen. Wow, this time, first time I get big super bean crest. Super bean. First time I have this one. It's rare. This one bigger. Crest. Yeah. Chanel 75. This one variegated canary, variegated from Medusa. This one 85 is huge, big one. Here is Crested 75. This one some the crest 27. This one 25. And here is some cotyledon. This one 38. 79. So nice color. This one 45. A lot of babies. See a lot of babies. This one beautiful color. This one big one. And I have big colorada. This one 55, very big and for babies. There's a baby here. Big. This one big size. Yeah, this one lemon and lemon. Right here some Gandoris, 35 each. It's beautiful, the crest. This time is look like the ball and very red. Look at them, so nice. Richie Ray, and this one the big one, so nice. $40 for this one. And this one DB crest. DB, this time is big size. Big size and beautiful crest. Yeah. And I have some Babis Rose, 55 each. This one Sugar Baby 30. Hanekada 39. Yeah, this one is cute. And right there I have Medusa Pinguish Hong Yin. It's big size, 75 each. A lot Aeonium. Please check on my website or text my number 408-883-5495. Thank you for watching my video today. This is Medusa. Thank you. Bye. Medusa 39.